Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. I'm here at Dr.Brewlittle's in Maple Shade. We got 6 teams competing for the Meatball Trophy. I got 3 judges. Nick Petito, the man of many voices. Mr. Jack, the beer man. And I can't do anything without the Bourbon Cow Boy. And this is a wing-off.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
All right, guys, let's go. Good luck, everybody.
All good stuff there. It's all good stuff.
If I can cut these.
Chop. Pull them apart. It's like I want to pull apart my opponents. Steve Boston says don't trust any wings. Give me an oh hell yeah, the Stone Cold said so.
I'm ready, I got my wings dry. We're doing with this flat top. You need totally 100% dry wings. Now I'm gonna cut these then, they're full wings, I'll cut them and all, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the cornstarch on them and a little garlic powder. And I'm gonna put a little oil on here and I'm just gonna let them go at 20 minutes aside and I'm gonna mix them up. I'm doing my sauce and I put my sauce right on them right here. I'm not smoking this time for the first time. In any of Frankie Meatball's videos, I always had my smoker. This time I'm trying something different.
Cover's Kai here, and what we do here is we cook everything in the air fryer. The air fryer takes about 20 minutes tops to make wings. So I have 4 or 5 hours, 3.5 hours to do whatever I want. So my son wants some popcorn chicken, so I'll make the popcorn chicken. When everybody here is struggling and doing what they have to do, my stuff will be ready in no time.
I was out the other night and I seen something and I'm like, I gotta get it for this guy.
Oh my God, I love this.
That's for you, my friend.
This is fantastic, I love it. Thank you, Frank.
That's my appreciation of you showing up and putting out. What you got going on over here, my friend?
We're doing an Asian style wing, so to complement it, we're doing a buttermilk wasabi ranch with some dill in it.
Remember these guys? The winner of the ripple. What's your trophy?
You know what?
Oh my God.
I didn't want to be that guy. I'm coming in humble, baby.
You're humble because we're like out of our element.
Dipping sauce, we're going to do a bacon blue cheese.
I'm here with no other man but Nick Petito, right? Is that how you say it?
No, you got it.
And the Italian princess of comedy. Every time I get a chance, I gotta go and see their shows. This guy, she puts on a hell of a show. It's a great night out. Check them out on Instagram. And Nick Petito, I'm telling you, he's the man of many voices.
Yeah, you know all about it. We're here having the wing off. Frankie Meatball decided I'm not gonna do a meatball contest this time. I'm gonna do a wing off. And we got guys here with all different spices, the Chechen peppers or whatever you call them. And it's gonna be a good time because I'm starving. I'm gonna eat like a gabon.
Hey, Jason, you guys having trouble over there or what?
What's going on with the wings?
I'm not having trouble. Number 2.
Don't let him keep your head.
Oh, who's starting trouble over here?
You may have won those ribs, but I'll tell you what, buddy.
We may be number 2. We're number 2.
Now for you.
Look out for number 1, but don't step in number 2. Guys, good luck, guys.
Excuse us, judges coming to do official business. Official business. We got the Bourbon Cow Boy here and Jack the beer man.
That's me.
Dr. Brewlittle.
Stone Cold Steve Boston.
We are
Needs no introduction.
doing a check on, what's your team name, sir?
One rattlesnake. Well, we got our little practice run of the Stone Cold wings over here.
Okay.
Because you know what? You don't trust any wings.
Right.
Except for Stone Cold's wing. What's going in the sauce?
What's going in the sauce?
What's in the sauce? What's in the sauce?
I'll tell you what, tell me the beer that's going in the sauce.
The beer that's going in the sauce, the beer that's going in the sauce is deer in the headlights.
Little apricot kolsch?
Little apricot kolsch.
for the sweetie?
It's delicious. Give me an oh hell yeah for apricot kolsch.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah. What?
Damn, what are you picking over there?
Do you pickle and pickles?
Pickling pickles. Peanut butter pickle pickles.
I can't.
Just while you're cooking wings, you're pickling pickles.
Pickling pickles. We're cooking wings. We're gonna be frying pickles. Don't trust any wings except for Stone Cold's wings.
What you gonna do when Stone Cold runs wild?
Right, guys, I'm here with Johnny Messina, big Rocky fanatic. Let me tell you, he's a writer, he's an actor, and he's a school teacher. Go figure, right? Jim. It's gotta be Jim, right? For that. We're gonna have a nice little sit down, all right? I think Tony Soprano's gonna come in on a sit down.
Yeah, sit down. Yeah. I gotta drive all the way down to Philly. I got that to do. Oh wait, I forgot. I'm not supposed to post this. This is a family event. Yeah.
Hey,
Where's the
Tom.
clowns? Because I can say
You gotta keep it easy.
Take it easy. It's a fight story.
All right, everybody, we're here at the Frankie Meatball Wing-Off. We're gonna drop the bomb now to see who gets...
What kind of bomb?
What
You're
kind
not
of
gonna
bomb?
crap in your pants, are you?
This is the General's hot sauce.
This isn't like one of those Wilson Good bombs or nothing, is it?
No. We ain't reliving Pearl Harbor. We ain't reliving Pearl Harbor. This is the General's hot sauce, and we're gonna do a raffle right now. Frankie Meatball's gonna pick a number to see who wins. What do we got, Frank? Come on.
I got a number 5.
Number 5.
Who's number
5? We're here at the winner's stand. He's got his red hot sauce there in his little pot.
Nick Cookins.
Nick Cookins over here. That looks like a very spicy sauce. We're gonna go.
Looks like you just killed a
That's
pepper.
a So what's in that? You said French red hot. And what else?
Is that Worcestershire?
Worcestershire sauce, straight out of Boston. A little distilled white vinegar.
Oh, that makes well a cocktail.
And a little crushed pepper. Oh, I like that. And a little kosher sea salt. It's kosher, right? Or what? A little. No. On the side. Oops. I don't even know what I'm doing. Oh, wow. It's electric.
So, Timmy, what beer did you use?
Maple Shade Lager.
Maple Shade Lager. That's
What are we looking for in your wings?
Sweet, punching, you know what I mean?
I mean, I've heard that you guys won the rib off.
We did.
But you don't know what you're doing when it comes to the wings.
yeah, we don't know yet.
Let's just say this. Our test kitchen had more experiments than Betty Crocker did in a year in the last week. How about that?
You hear that from the cell, Betty? Oh, wow.
They're getting some color on them.
Man.
Those look so much better.
See. I think they're a top contender in this. Those look pretty dynamite.
You'd be foolish to underrate these guys. Those ribs are amazing.
I might need to sneak my hand into the grill before I can judge. That's how good they look.
All right.
This guy's
There he is. Frankie Meatball.
First place in the ribs.
Yeah.
Ribs are amazing.
They're defending the title.
The wingman.
The main wing, the wingman.
The wingman. How many pick up ladies at the bar?
Oh, I get it now.
I
Yeah.
didn't get that before.
Jack,
Now it seems like I
will you
should
be
get it.
my wingman?
Always.
Oh, I love it.
All right, boys, what do we got going on?
What do you say, folks?
Not buddy. I see some basting right now.
Yeah, you caught us right.
I got right a good time.
Mid basting.
All right, let's talk about the wings first. We got a pellet smoker.
We do.
All right, what kind of pellets we using?
Cherry.
Nice.
Trying to keep it light.
How many hours we doing on the smoker?
About 2.
Okay. Temp?
225.
Like that.
Yeah, keep it,
Let's talk about the sauce.
This is like a cross-examination.
Yeah. My dad's a lawyer, so I'm used to. I gotta ask the question. Yeah.
Great.
I gotta catch him up, you know. So yeah.
I want the truth.
Yeah. You can't handle that truth. All right, let's talk about the sauce. What we got going on?
So we do a little Asian-inspired sauce.
Okay.
Maple savory sauce here. We got to do the obviously the Frank's red hot. We got that heat in there.
Yeah.
We tried to throw some sweet in there. So we went with
The deer in the headlights, if I'm not mistaken, right?
what's that?
The deer in the headlights?
We did deer in the headlights. So we went with the apricot kolsch. And with that, we decided to use some fresh apricots in our
Yeah?
sauce.
Okay.
It came out real nice.
Was that planned or was that a grocery list?
No, that was planned.
Part of the plan. I like that.
As soon as we tasted it, we were like,
Or at least
okay,
that's
let's
what
do it.
you
There you go.
We got one extra sitting there too, so you want to bite right into that.
I like it.
Yeah, so we decided to do that with that Asian inspired. So we got some ginger in there. We
We got some garlic in there, some other spices, and it came out really nice. You know, like I said, that little sweet little heat. Hopefully, it works out.
I gotta ask. I see the pellet smoker, but I also see a deep fryer.
You do.
Are we gonna finish in the deep fryer?
Yeah, absolutely.
So we're gonna sauce and go to the deep fryer.
We're gonna do a little sauce. We tried a couple different ways. We felt that the best way that turned out was a little bit of that sauce on there while they were cooking.
Yeah.
Because we felt like that gave us the flavor that we were getting in the bite.
Okay.
And then fry them and then sauce again.
Oh, you're going double. I like that. That's a good move.
It gave us just the flavor we were looking for.
We're here with Mark from BBQing.
No cheating here.
And let me tell you something. Look at these wings over here. Look.
This looks insane, and I'm ready to eat one right now, but they're not done yet. Can you believe they're not done?
They're done if you want to try one, but they don't have the sauce. The cornstarch on it. And I put and the cornstarch, garlic powder, and a little cayenne pepper.
Yeah.
And the cornstarch. Now I tried them 2 ways: without the cornstarch and with the cornstarch. They do crisp up without the cornstarch, but with the cornstarch they look like this. And I like this look better than without the cornstarch.
Mickey's salivating over here. You see
Yeah, I know.
He's like,
Mark, you're gonna be a top contender. I already know it. This is the first one that we've seen, and I'm already drooling.